Okay, Visions fam, so my sister and my cousins just dropped a new single called Gotta Go. It's a banger, best believe that. The link is in the description if you guys want to go show some love. Send the Visions fam love. Go drop a like on the video, maybe put a heart in the comment section or something like that. You guys know how we do. I promise you, if you want a good soulful music that's gonna make you feel good, go listen to it right now. Link in the description. What's up, Visions fam? Mr. Brody Slick with another vlog for you guys, or as we like to call it, another banger. Got the hat on today, and you know I like to rock hats. Hats are real cool, but this isn't one of those just real cool kind of days. This is one of those days where, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been growing out the beard, you know what I'm saying? I like the beard, but I need a haircut. You know when your hair you just gotta throw the hat on, bro. I don't think I gotta say anymore. You know, you just gotta throw the hat on. When your hair is not, you just gotta throw the hat on. So today I'm actually gonna be getting a haircut, but that's not the only thing we're doing. I promise you guys that we would be pulling up to another Marshall's or Ross on the other side of town to see what kind of heat they got for us to check out for the Visions fam. You know how that goes. And I'm not sure if we're gonna check out both. We might check out one or the other. We might check out both depending on how everything is going throughout the day. And I appreciate you guys tuning in to another Slick Visions vlog. All love to my Visions fam. 10,000 subscribers on the way up. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, hitting that like button. Let's aim for 40 likes on this video, and let's just enjoy the day, man. It's so nice outside. Look how bright it is, bruh. I'm super excited. You guys know how it goes. Let's do it. Okay guys, so yeah, it's time to transform this. What is this? Bro, I'm about to get a cut, bro. All right. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my barber, John, the Don. He hooked it up, man, for real. Haven't been to the barber shop in a minute. I've been trying to lay back on the cuts, but I had to get the fresh cut. And you know when you got a fresh cut, you're having a good day. You can't, if you get a cut and you have a bad day, I don't know what's going on in your life, dog. But with that being said, guys, we're actually about to head over to the Marshalls right now. Your boy's feeling good. Your boy's feeling nice and fresh. If you guys want to know the slick cut, if you want to get it in the future, you know, it's a skin tight taper on the sides and a skin tight taper on the back. That's a slick cut for you. Let's head over to Marshalls, guys. Let's get it. What is that? Do you guys see what that is over there? You guys see what that is over there? Yeah. You see that? It's another mattress firm. Stop playing with me. The Ross is over there, the Marshalls is over here. I'm trying to decide which one I want to hit. In the beginning of the video, you guys saw that I had that master plan book. That master plan book, for any of you guys that are curious, I just write down all my ideas. Anything that comes to my mind, it's good to write that stuff down because you never know where it's gonna go after that. So just, you know, if you wanna learn from the stuff that actually comes to your intuition, write it down so it never goes any place and you could just leave it in the master plan. Simple as that. But anyways, yeah guys, so it's gonna be the Ross or the Marshalls. I'm not sure. Regardless, we're looking for some heat. So let's do it. We got a nice little pair of Gazelles right here, $31 in this black and beige colorway, black and brown maybe to some people, black and orange maybe to some people, I don't know. But it's a pretty nice pair right here. Nike Dunk Elites for $31. Nike SB, matter of fact. I've never seen these before. And it's got this sock liner up top. Nike SB Zoom. Nike Darwins, I got these at home. These are going for $32. When I bought them, it was like $40. So that's a better price right there in this black and green colorway. Very, very comfortable. And the shoe pops, you know what I'm saying? That little green. The black is very subtle. Comfortable shoe right here. I always forget what number of the KD this is, but this is probably one of the best colorways I've seen. I like how this like silver kinda, it moves a little when you move it side to side. Gum bottom, got the gray with the white laces. Very, very nice. Size 10. I'm just gonna sit here and thank God that these are a size 12 and not a 13, because I would be buying these, leaving with them, without a question, in my vault, for me. Such a throwback. 2K4 Hirachis. Such a throwback, bro. Size 10. It's unbelievable. Biggie. You guys remember the Puma jacket from last vlog? This is the shirt right here. Right here. Matches perfect with that jacket. 6 God kind of tings. No OVO though. Los Angeles 6 God tings. God's plan. Now this is what they call that I smoke big trees hoodie. Hold up. Somebody explain this to me. We got Adidas. And we got BB-8. Is this a Star Wars Adidas collab? I'm confused. But it's making me want to cop. I'm gonna hold on to this. Alright. I feel like this is a Tommy Hilfiger piece somebody would appreciate, you know. Somebody would appreciate this. Okay fam, it is currently the next day, back with some couch talk with your boy Slick, and today's actually March 22nd, and I just got off of work. I have a package from a subscriber. Now this is, I just want to say, like, being on YouTube, I started YouTube when I was like 12 years old, not on this channel, on another channel, and I think it's truly amazing. Like this is like a big step for me. Receiving a package from one of my subscribers, that's good to know that I can have trust in a lot of you guys and that we have that connection. You guys look out for me. So shout out to G Flores. So he always sends me pictures and stuff of his finds. I mean, his stores are ridiculous. So he actually hooked it up for the boy, sent me this shoe and this freaking package right here for retail, and I mean, I can't ask for any more. I appreciate you, brother. Anytime you guys find something, if you think I might be interested in it, just message me on IG. My Instagram will be right here. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing, guys. I'm extremely excited for this. Some of you guys should know that I've been wanting this pair. I've been wanting all the colorways in this shoe. And yeah, we're doing an unboxing right now. Shout out to you, G. Okay, so this is a Boost box right here. Adidas Boost. You guys know how I rock. I like comfortability. I like stylish stuff, simplicity, all that good stuff. And let me just show y'all the shoe, man. So right here, guys, got the receipt and everything. My guy was not playing. He's like, Slick, I'm gonna make sure you know what I'm saying? I got you. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think you guys can see already. Yeah, you guys can see already, bro. These right here are the Adidas Endless Energy and Adidas Endless Energy Sonic Drives in this neon colorway right here. I had to bring these out just to show you guys because this is how much I love the shoe. Here's the red pair and here's the neon pair, and I'm looking at these like close up, and dang, bro, I didn't know like that it looked this good. Like, wow. This shoe looks amazing. I actually saw yesterday in yesterday's video, I actually saw the gray pair. It's like gray up top and the red liner right here in my size. Didn't pick them up because that shoe, the colors didn't look good together. But this neon right here is popping. I like shoes that pop. Like, I'll rock an all black outfit and just rock these. So I really appreciate you, Brody. You know, I've been looking for this shoe in my size. If you guys are actually interested in this shoe, you want to rock a shoe like your boy Slick, we have a size 12 and I think a size 9 on slickwaves.bigcartel.com. Not a shameless plug. Right on the screen for you guys. If you want to go check out the website, the link is always in the description. We got 2 pairs of these, but I'm extremely excited to have my size 13. I appreciate you, Brody, man. You definitely hooked it up. I can't wait to put these on my feet, but look how much this shoe pops, bro. You wanna taste it, you know what I'm saying? It's one of those shoes you just wanna taste. Let me do the smell test. I like that, I like that. Now, so now I got the neon pair, I got the red pair, I need the blue pair, I need the black pair, and I need the gray pair, and then after that, I'm good. So I need 3 more pairs, you know what I'm saying? 3 more colorways. If you guys ever see any of those colorways in my size, the Brody size, let me know, hit me up on IG, and yeah, most likely I'm gonna buy them. As long if you hook me up for retail, I'll buy them. Simple as that. But yeah, man, this is dope, bro. This is dope. And guys, yeah, I think that's gonna actually conclude the video. I just wanted to let you guys be a part of this unboxing right here. And like I said, this is a big step for me to receive a package from a subscriber. You know, somebody in the Visions fam. I think you guys as family, and for him to do this for me for retail, that's just dope. But that is gonna wrap up the video, guys, because I do have more videos to film and I do have more videos to edit, and I gotta edit this video right now so that I can get it up for you guys tonight. Like I said, I just got off of work. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, you know, all the new edits, all the bangers I've been dropping. I can't thank you guys enough for your constant support, the fam. You guys show nothing but love. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for another banger very, very soon. I have more videos for you guys this week, so trust me. Like I said, three videos at least this week. 4 is the goal. 4 is the goal, but 3 at least. All right. So I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon. Your boy. Hello. Hello. Mom? Mom, I can't hear you. Mom? Mom, can you hear me on it? All right, that's enough, guys. I'll see you guys very soon, man. Deuces.